Hello! On this video, we'll be untangling some vines that are choking some of our trees and cutting some branches that are in our way. Come on! So many branches that droop down. They're all in our faces every time we walk around. So it's time to clean up a little bit. There is normally anywhere between 10 to 15 feet, maybe some areas 20 feet from this driveway all the way to where the trees start, but now it's so overgrown. If we didn't wear mosquito nettings, we would have so many mosquitoes in our mouth every time we take a breath. So that's why we wear the mosquito netting. Black walnut, and this is what the black walnut looks like right now. But I have a lot of black walnuts on the property, actually a lot of nut trees on the property, so it needed to be trimmed. This poor little tree, I have cut this vine underneath it back from the trunk, and it still keeps growing and growing even though I've cut it from the root system. I don't know what kind of vine it is. It's not an English ivy, although it is some sort of ivy, but it's just killing this poor little tree, or big tree, I should say. And here we're pulling down the muscadine grapes. It's wrapped all over this other black walnut. There's so much muscadine grapes here. I have so many. Wild muscadine, that is. But it just wraps itself around and around and around like this, and it's killing the trees. See this one? We just took it off. It's choking the trees. Here's another muscadine grape. So the majority of all these vines that we're going to be pulling are all muscadine grapes on these trees. That's good. So we don't have any kudzu here on the property, but these wild muscadine grapes are just as bad. They just, they wrap themselves around all the trees, and I can't get them. We cannot cut them down. We also happen to have poison ivy and some Virginia creeper that we need to get rid of and pull. And other repairs too. Like this. But it is a nice windy day right now, and I thank you for coming along to my permaculture garden. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. And as always, hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe.